Hi there, this is me. So ayan guys, isa na namang napakasimpleng sketch po ang ating gagawin sa ngayon. Ito po ay isang eagle. The Philippine serpent eagle, Spilornis holospilos, is a species of bird of prey found in the major islands of the Philippines. It is sometimes treated as a race of the crested serpent eagle. This species is usually found in the forest clearings, open woodlands, and sometimes cultivated lands with scattered trees. It is endemic to the Philippines. The species is found on most part of the major island except for Palawan. The Philippine serpent eagle is distinguished from other species of serpent eagle by more well-defined spots on the underparts and wings. The bird feeds on amphibian reptiles and other live prey. Inhabits primary and secondary forest. The bird is often seen soaring over clearings and river valleys. So ayan guys, patapos ng ating pag-i-sketch, ako po'y nagpapasalamat sa inyo sa walang sawang panonood nyo sa aking mga simpleng sketches. So ayan guys, tapos na nga po. Maraming salamat. Bye bye. Thank you.